NRVTA course, registered technician course for RVs.
Here in Athens, Texas.
In Athens, Texas. Great. The community will post some pictures and videos about it. Wish us luck. Test day.
Better looking half of that duo. Give it up to my girl Shannon. Viva Llamas! Girl power!
Nice job, Joe. Congrats. Coming through.
Headed out. We finished our National RV Training Academy. We both got our certificates as registered technicians, and now we're headed to Cedar Creek and we will film on the road. See you guys later. Hello everyone, so we made it to Cedar Creek and we are going to go visit some family. Joe's niece, he hasn't seen in a while. She's been here in Texas for a few years, and so we're gonna go have dinner, hang out, and that's it. We'll be in Cedar Creek a couple days, and then we will head out after that. See you guys later.